So there are 1,600 petrol stations in the Republic of Ireland, of which now about a third, or slightly more than a third, are currently without stock. If we get to the end of today without having restored access to Whitegate Refinery and the terminals at Foynes and Galway, we're going to have two-thirds. We're going to have over 1,000 are likely to be out of stock. People are anxious about whether they will have fuel supply. The reality is this: we have loads of fuel. Like, we're actually in the situation now where we may be turning fuel away from coming into the country. So there's plenty here. It's just getting access to it. If the Gardaí can secure the routes in and out of those terminals, as we hope they will do today, we should be able to start regaining or restoring normal service. The problem is it is going to take a couple of days to catch up on all of those sites that have run dry. So it may be a week to actually get fully restored to every site. But if you don't need fuel at the moment, just pause. Like, it's going to be fine. It'll be fine in a couple of days or a few days. Just give us a chance to recover.